Hi, hello. Welcome to Show Excel YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about NCERT Class 10 Math Subject Chapter 11 Constructions. Okay. Exercise 11.2 Question number 6. Question is, let ABC be a right angle triangle in which AB equal to 6 centimeter, BC equal to 8 centimeter, and angle B is given, that is 90 degree. BD is perpendicular from B on AC. The circle through BCD is drawn. Construct the tangents from A to this circle. Okay, this is the question, right? So I'll write here first solution. After that, given. What is given here? Given BC equal to 8 centimeter and AB equal to 6 centimeter, and also angle B is 90 degree. Okay, this is given, right? So next you can construct here ABC, right angle triangle, right? So already given here BC is 8 centimeter, AB is 6 centimeter, and angle B is 90 degree. With the help of this all given data, you can construct here right triangle. Okay, so first I will construct here right triangle. So here with the help of ruler you can draw here 8 centimeter on line segment, and you can call this one as BC. You can call this one as BC line segment. Okay. So next from this vertex B you can construct here 90 degree. With the help of compass, keep on B vertex, then you can draw here one semicircle with coordinate radius. Don't change this radius. Next keep on this point and you can cut it. Next keep on this point and you can cut it, and also you can draw here one arc upside from this point, you can cut it. Okay, so next you can join this to B. Okay, so this is B, this is C, then you will get here A vertex. Okay, so already given AB is 6 centimeter. In given data already AB is 6 centimeter. With the help of compass you can take here 6 centimeter and keep on B point. Okay, so this is 6 centimeter, right? So we got here exactly here only, this is A point, right? So next you can join AC. This is the ABC triangle. So now we got here ABC right triangle. Okay, this AB is 6 centimeter, you can write, right? So next is BD. Next BD is perpendicular from B on AC. You can draw here BD perpendicular from B vertex to AC. So next you can draw BD perpendicular to AC from this B vertex. Okay, so you can take this much radius and just you can draw here one arc. Okay, so this arc intersect this AC here and here. Okay, so keep on this point. Next you can take more than half. You can take more than half. You can draw here an arc. Don't change this one. Keep on this point and you can cut it. Okay, so after that you can join this to B. You can call this one as D. So here BD is perpendicular to AC, right? So next in question, the circle through BCD is drawn. Construct the tangent from A to this circle. Okay, you can construct here one circle, that is draw through B, C and D points. Okay, so you can first you can find here its midpoint. Okay, just you can take more than half and you can draw an arc upside, on arc downside. Don't change this and keep on this B, C point and you can cut these two. Okay, after that you can join these two intersecting points. Okay, so I will join here. This line segment bisect BC at O, I can call. Okay, right. So next we can join here AO. You can join AO, right. So I will join here AO. So in question you can draw here one circle, that is through B, C, D. Okay, so you can taking O as center, you can consider it O as center, and you can take OB or OC as radius, and you can draw a C1 circle. Okay, so this is said to be C1 circle. You can call this one as C1 circle, right? So next in question you can construct tangents from this A points. You can construct tangents from this A point to this circle. Okay, so already we got here one tangent, that is AB. Next you can draw another one tangent. Okay, so next you can bisect this AO. You can take your coordinate radius, then you can draw an arc and one more arc this side. Okay, from this point you can cut these two points you can join here. Okay, so right, so this line segment bisect AO at P, you can call. Okay, so next you can consider AP as radius, or you can consider AO as radius. Okay, so you can consider AP as radius, or you can consider AO as, then you can draw a C2 circle. Okay, considering P as center, you can call this one as C2. Okay, so here where C1 and C2 intersect, you can call this one as E. Okay, this is E and this is B. Okay, so next you can join here AE and AB. A is the required tangent, so I will join here AE and also AB, right. So these two are the required tangents, so therefore AB and AE are required tangents, you can write. So next I will go to steps of construction. Next steps of construction, you can draw right triangle of AB equal to 6 cm, BC equal to 8 cm and angle B is 90 degree. You can construct here a right triangle of AB equal to 6 cm, BC equal to 8 cm and angle B is 90 degree. Okay, after that you can draw BD perpendicular to AC, right. From B vertex you can draw BD perpendicular to AC. Okay, let it intersect AC at D. You can call this one as D, and you can join BD. Okay, so next bisect BC. You can bisect BC at O, right. So you can bisect this BC. This BC bisect at O, right. So next, taking O as center and OB or OC as radius, draw C1 circle. After that join AO and bisect AO at P. Okay, so here you can take O as center and OB or OC as radius, and you can draw here C1 circle. Okay, after that you can join O to A. AO you can join, right. Then you can bisect AO at P. Okay, join AO and bisect AO at P, right. So next, taking P as center and AP or OP as radius, you can draw C2 circle. Next, let it intersect C1 at B and C2. Okay, so here you can take P as center and PO or PA as radius you can take and you can draw here C2 circle. This C2 circle intersect C1 circle at B and E, right? So next you can join AE and AB. These two are the required tangents. So let it intersect C1 at B and E. Next join AB and AE. So here AB and AE are the required two tangents, right? So next I will go to justification. So here just you can join BO and EO, right? Join here EO and BO, right? So this is 90 degree, this also 90 degree, because this angle is in semicircle. Okay, so in semicircle any angle, so angle in semicircle is always right angle. Similarly, so you can take here this is also one semicircle. In this semicircle one angle is there. Okay, so angle in semicircle is always right angle. So therefore I will write here ABO is 90 degree, right? This is radius and this is tangent. So I will write here ABO is 90 degree because angle in semicircle is right angle. So here BO is radius. So next you can write therefore AB is tangent, because angle between tangent and radius is 90 degree. So that's why this is tangent. Similarly you can write AE is also tangent to the circle. Okay. Thanks for watching. For more videos please subscribe my channel and also press bell button to get notification.